Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. So we have been working on fact families. And today we're going to take it a step further because we're going to take a look at those facts we know. The friends of 10 and the doubles facts. And we're going to take those facts and use them to help us subtract some numbers. So you will need your whiteboard and your marker for today's lesson as I shrink myself into the corner. Today we will be doing grade 1, lesson 7.3, relating special addition and subtraction facts. And you will need your whiteboard and your marker. Our math message today involves 2 warm-up problems. Let's take a look at our first one. I'm going to read it to you, and you can see if you can solve this problem on your whiteboard. Here is our math message. Imagine you are carrying an egg carton with 12 eggs. Oops! You drop the egg carton and 6 eggs break. How many eggs are not broken? Now you could go ahead and draw a picture, right? I could take my 12 eggs, .12 is called a dozen. There's my 12 eggs. And then after I drop my egg carton, 6 eggs break. Broke, 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 and broke. How many eggs are not broken? So here are the eggs that are not broken. How many eggs are not broken? Well, our answer is 6. But I have to tell you, we don't always want to draw pictures. Imagine if our numbers were really, really big. I wouldn't want to have to draw 100 eggs. So we have to think about what we know in math. You know, this problem here is 12 minus 6 equals something. But I like to use a strategy that brings me back to my facts that I'm good at. I like to think addition. Let me show you what that means. We know that we have a fact family. Well, 12 minus 6 equals mystery number is the same as 6 plus mystery number equals 12. Because we know that in addition, the biggest number comes last. And in subtraction, the biggest number comes first. Well, look what we have. We have a doubles fact. 6 plus 6 more equals 12. So sometimes if I know my 6 and my 12 is related because I know my doubles facts, I'm able to solve this problem. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And 12 minus 6 equals 6. So our answer to this question is 6 eggs are not broken. And by thinking addition, I can use my knowledge of the doubles facts to solve the problem. Let's erase our whiteboard and let's try another math message. Here's our next math message. 2 baseball teams are on the field for a total of 18 players. One team of 9 players goes into the dugout. How many players are left on the field? Now, we can draw a picture again, or we can even think about our diagrams. because I see the word total, I could even draw a part-part total. And that's a part-part total. And remember, our total is at the top. And our total in this story is 18. And one of our parts, 1/10 of 9. And then how much is on the other team? Now we can solve this problem by subtracting. I can do 18 minus 9 equals something. Or I can think 9 plus missing number equals 18. So for a problem like this, it helps if I think addition. And I notice that I have another doubles fact. And because I'm in the doubles club, I know 9 plus 9 will equal 18. And because 9 plus 9 equals 18, fact families tell us 18 minus 9 equals 9. Awesome job! Today, we're going to take a look at how our knowledge of the doubles and friends of 10 can help us solve some subtraction problems. So let's clear off our whiteboard and let's do some practice together. I like to think addition when I want to subtract with doubles. Let me tell you what I mean. Let's suppose on our whiteboard we have this problem, 6 minus 3. Now there's no doubt subtraction is tougher than addition. I like to think 3 plus the missing number equals 6 because this is part of a fact family. Well, if I know my doubles, I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. Well, if 3 plus 3 equals 6, 6 minus 3 equals 3. That really helps me become a better mathematician at subtraction. Let's try another. 8 minus 4. Subtraction's tough. I have to be able to count backwards. But I can think the other way. I'm going to start with that smaller number, 4. And I'm going to count more to get to 8. 4 plus something equals 8. Well, my knowledge of the doubles facts should come into play. 4 in the rock, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 more equals 8. That's a doubles fact. That means that 8 minus 4 equals 4. Notice the same numbers are used. That's because it's a fact family. We have the 8, the 4, and the 4. The 4, the 4, and the 8. And our big number starts first in subtraction, and it comes last in addition. Let's erase our whiteboard, and let's try another one. You try this one. 14 minus 7. That's a tough one. Imagine if I had to start at 14 and count back. Well, I'm going to think of addition. And I'm going to think 7 plus a missing number equals 14. 7 in the rock, and I can count up until I get to 14. Or I could use my knowledge of the doubles facts. What do you think the answer is to this? 7 plus 7 equals 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. By knowing the doubles facts, we can solve subtraction problems. Try this one. 16 minus 8. Well, think. 8 plus a missing number equals 16. Now I can start at 8 and put 8 in the rock and count up to 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or I can think of my doubles facts. Boy, I know 8 plus 8 equals 16. Therefore, 16 minus 8 equals 8, because 16 and 8 are part of that fact family. Awesome job. Now, our doubles facts are really, really important, but so are the friends of 10. Think addition to subtract with friends of 10. So here's the really cool trick. Whenever you want to subtract and you're starting with the number 10, all you have to do is think of your friends of 10. 10 minus 8. Well, I can think 8 plus a missing number equals 10. Start at 8, count up until I get to 10, 9, 10. And if I'm in my friends of 10 club, right, and then I know 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Wow, we're going to be able to solve so many subtraction problems just by knowing our doubles and friends of 10. Let's take a look at this problem. This problem starts with a 10. 10 minus 6. So I like to think, 6 plus what equals 10? I think addition. 6 and 4 equals 10. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. Here's our next one. 10 minus 7. Well, it starts with 10. So I want to think addition and think friends of 10. Think 7 plus what equals 10? 7 and 3. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. Fact family. And we're noticing that it's a friend of 10 that's helping us solve it. Here's another one. Our last one. 10 minus 4. Well, my subtraction problem starts with 10. So I'm going to think friend of 10. What number would go with a 4? And I can think addition. 4 and 6 equals 10. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Wow. Awesome job today. So we took our knowledge of our doubles facts and our friends of 10, and we would think addition to help us solve the subtraction facts that went with them. And we are going to become amazing mathematicians just by knowing that trick. You're going to have some practice activities to do in Seesaw, and I can't wait to see how smart you are.